Welcome to Car Garage, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, specs, and features of the latest models. The 2026 Chevrolet Nova V8 454 is a bold return to muscle car roots, blending modern performance with vintage DNA. This car revives a legendary nameplate, bringing forward an aggressive design, raw power, and a distinctive driving experience that will appeal to both classic car lovers and contemporary enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2026 Nova houses a beastly 7.4-liter V8 engine, famously known as the 454. This power plant is engineered to deliver over 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines in its segment. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the engine to ensure it maintains a balance of brute strength and smooth responsiveness. It features direct fuel injection, forged internals, and a lightweight aluminum block, which help it reach 0 to 60 mph in just under 0.9 seconds. The transmission system has been built to match the engine's might. The Nova V8 454 comes standard with a 10-speed automatic transmission with manual paddle shifters, offering rapid gear changes and optimal performance across different driving conditions. A 6-speed manual option is also available for purists who crave full control of the driving experience. The exterior design of the Nova is a nod to the original models from the late 60s and early 70s. It features a long sculpted hood, flared wheel arches, and a wide stance that commands attention. LED headlights and taillights are integrated seamlessly into the retro-styled body, while aggressive front and rear bumpers enhance the muscular appeal. The car rides on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, providing excellent grip and road presence. Inside, the 2026 Nova V8 454 strikes a fine balance between nostalgia and modernity. The cabin is designed with high-quality materials including leather and Alcantara seats, brushed metal accents, and carbon fiber trim. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster with customizable displays and a large touchscreen. Infotainment system powered by Chevrolet's latest software, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a premium Bose sound system are standard, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on every drive. In terms of performance enhancements, the Nova is equipped with adaptive magnetic ride suspension, which automatically adjusts to road conditions and driving style. The Brembo braking system provides powerful and consistent stopping power, while launch control and a performance traction management system ensure every bit of power is translated effectively to the ground. Chevrolet has also focused on making the Nova safer without compromising on thrill. The car includes a full suite of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. These features enhance daily usability and make the Nova not just a performance beast but also a practical choice for enthusiasts who use it beyond weekend blasts. Fuel efficiency is understandably not the highlight, but considering the size of the engine, it is commendable that Chevrolet has achieved a combined figure of approximately 18 mpg thanks to cylinder deactivation and improved aerodynamics. The exhaust system features active valves, allowing drivers to switch between a quiet mode for neighborhood driving and a track mode that lets the V8 roar to its fullest potential. Customization options are plentiful. Buyers can choose from a range of heritage-inspired color options, optional racing stripes, multiple interior themes, and performance packages that include different exhaust tunes, upgraded suspension components, and even weight reduction kits for track use. There is also a special Heritage Edition available with badging and design elements inspired by the original Nova SS. The 2026 Nova V8 454 is not just a car, it's a statement. It reminds the automotive world that muscle cars still have a place in the modern era, combining vintage power and style with the technology and comforts of today. It stands out in a market increasingly dominated by electric and hybrid powertrains, serving as a proud flag bearer for American muscle. With a price starting around $65,000 and going upwards depending on options, it offers incredible value for the performance and presence it brings to the table. It is a car that not only performs exceptionally well, but also connects emotionally with its driver. If you're passionate about power, design, and legacy, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova V8 4x4 is a car you cannot ignore. Don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Car Garage for more in-depth car reviews and features.